DVD, quad seats, backup camera, low miles, outstanding condition inside and out, Chrysler certified 8 per year 80,000 miles. To qualify for special internet pricing you must ask for Tim Brown or call him ahead of time at 860-307-7152 to get the best pricing and service possible. www.moolcars.com, Northwest Hills Dealerships, the dealer you can deal with, your New England Chevrolet, Pontiac, Cadillac, Buick, GMC, Chrysler, Jeep dealer. www.moolcars.com. This one is in great shape in and out. That's part of the way here at Northwest Hills, we only put vehicles into our inventory that are ready to be adopted and head to their new home. Maybe this one will work for you? For all of your answers, appointment times and more, call Tim Brown in the Internet Department directly at 866-769-9966. Visit www.moolcars.com to view our entire inventory of new and used vehicles.